Want to add multiple timelines in CapCut Desktop like this? Let's get straight into the tutorial. Adding a new timeline in CapCut Desktop is very simple. Just click the plus icon on the left side of the timeline panel. By clicking this button, you can create up to 50 timelines in one project. This feature is very helpful, especially when working on long and complex projects. You can organize different scenes, versions, or ideas into separate timelines without cluttering your main editing workspace. Another advantage is that you can open previously created sequences inside a new timeline and continue editing more efficiently. This feature is available only if you update CapCut to the latest version, so make sure your software is up to date. Simple, right? In the next video, we'll explore more editing techniques to improve your content, so make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.